Alright you guys, today we're gonna check out some really awesome games for graphic designers, which are totally for free, and eventually it is going to improve your skills in specific areas. So it is a lot of fun and it's beginner level as well. Alright, so the first game is Boolean.method.ac. And as you can guess, this is the pathfinder from Illustrator. And you need to guess which options you need to select. So this is again union, aka unite. Here we're going to have a divide situation, subtract, sorry, and it's got some really cool sounds. So let's see a more complicated shape. I'm going to go with this triangle and I'm going to subtract first this one, and then I'm going to go on this and do another subtraction. But I think I can place all of them at the same time and then subtract everything at the same time actually. Let's try it out, subtract. And it works. Beautiful. So anyways, let's go on. We got Onc Dospace. Now this game is really awesome and it's made for UX UI designers who are creating the interface of an app or the sales page of a website. So here you can see two Facebook Messenger UI designs compared to each other, and we get a couple of things going on. On the left, you can see the white message box is rounded, the right one is rectangular and with green. I never knew about this. So I'm gonna click on the left one and it is correct. You also got the compare button here. So if you long press it and you release it, you can see the difference in between the two designs. You also can see the person's name is written with Comic Sans with red, and the first message box is rectangle and written with gray. Let's go on, and here you can see this one is rectangular and the right message box is rounded, so that's the correct one. And you also can see the Johnny Ivy name is more thicker than here. On the left one is more thinner, which is not good. And you also can see that the profile picture here is circulated and on the left one is not. And also the arrow here is gray and on the right one is like black. So there's like a lot of small issues which you need to take in consideration. This one is more simple. You can see the message box is really long and the OK word is super short, and on the right one is correct here. And the list goes on, and of course it is getting more and more difficult until you are going to fail. Here we have another cute game. It is called The Designer's Eye. All you need to do is click on Begin, and you need to choose between yes or no if this little dot is positioned perfectly into the center. So I think it's perfectly positioned into the center, so I'm going to click on yes. As you can see, the cross indicates that we were correct. This is also correct, and it should get more and more complicated than that. This one is not. And I get a big poo. So for example, in this situation, this one is more complicated because it's hard to guess the crossing line that is going to indicate where this dot is. I think this is not the correct position because the dot has to go somewhere here. So I'm gonna click on no. I was correct. I think this is correct. No, it's not again. I get another poo. And next we got shapes.method.ac. If you are having issues with your Pentool skills creating letters, then this game is for you. Here you can practice it. You can drag the handle until it's gonna match perfectly the letter's curvature. I gotta do it here also. You can press and hold Shift to drag it perfectly horizontally. Here I'm gonna do the same thing with the bottom one. Click on compare. 89%, not that bad. Let's try this out. I'm gonna do it in a hurry. And we got also here another one, look at that. Compare, not that good. 95%, not that bad. And not at least we got the type.method.ac, where basically you can adjust the kerning in between the letters. So you can pull the W, the A and the I in between the A and the T letters. So I gotta go something like, I don't know, something like this. It should be optically correct. I gotta click on done. Your score 100 out of 100. I don't think it was like 100, but anyways. This one has like huge gaps in between the letters, but I think this way it looks nice. Click on done. Now this one is perfect. So anyways, these were the 5 games you can check out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description with them and you can play around. Thanks for watching.